Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to fix Apple TV remote volume stuck. Fix 1. Reset your Apple remote. Press and hold the TV button and the volume down button simultaneously for 2 seconds. This will reset the remote and unpair it from the Apple TV. To pair the Siri remote again, turn on the Apple TV and position the remote within 8 to 10 cm, 3 to 4 inches, of the Apple TV, pointing at the front of the device. Press and hold the back button and the volume up button for 2 seconds, for the second generation or later, or press and hold the menu button and the volume up button for 2 seconds, for the first generation. When the Siri remote is successfully paired, an on-screen message will appear. Fix 2. Try pressing the TV icon button and the volume down button. Press and hold the TV icon button and the volume down button on the Siri remote simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This action can help reset the remote's volume settings and potentially resolve the problem of the volume being stuck. Fix 3. Disable IR in the settings of the Apple TV. Go to the settings on your Apple TV, select Remotes and Devices, choose Control TVs and Receivers. Toggle off the option for Control TVs and Receivers to disable the IR functionality. Fix 4. Reset the Apple TV. Turn on the Apple TV and the television it's linked with. From the Apple TV main menu, use the remote to highlight and select the Settings option. Under Settings, choose System for Apple TV 4K or Apple TV HD, or General for older models. Scroll until you've reached the Reset option and click it. To initiate the erasure process, choose Reset for Apple TV 4K or Apple TV HD, or Reset All Settings for older models. Keep your Apple TV plugged into power until the reset process finishes. After the device restarts, users must go through the initial configuration process again, as if starting up a brand new device. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.